Hey, animal lovers! Ever hear that old saying, you can't teach an old dog new tricks? Well, I'm here to tell you that whoever came up with that might just need a refresher course. Today, we're diving headfirst into the wild world of animal myths. Those quirky, bizarre, and downright crazy things you've probably believed your whole life. Buckle up, because we're about to bust these myths wide open. And trust me, by the end of this, you'll be the life of the next trivia night. The classic. Goldfish can't remember a thing after 3 seconds. You know, if that were true, goldfish would probably be the happiest animals on the planet. Imagine living life without a single regret or memory. But here's the truth. Goldfish actually have pretty impressive memories. Scientists have shown that they can remember things for months. So the next time you're late feeding them, don't be surprised if they give you the cold fin. Blind as a bat. Yeah, we've all heard it, but guess what? Bats actually have decent vision. Yep, they're not flying around with tiny white canes, folks. In fact, some bats can see better than humans at night. And of course, they have their built-in sonar, aka echolocation, to help them navigate like little furry fighter jets. So, if you thought bats were just flapping around in the dark, blind as, well, themselves, you're badly mistaken. Owls. Those majestic creatures that stare into your soul, filled with ancient wisdom. Or are they? Spoiler alert. Owls are not exactly the Einstein of the bird world. Don't get me wrong, they've got incredible hearing and vision, but their brains? Let's just say, they're more hoot than smart. Turns out, ravens and crows are the real brainiacs. So the next time you hear someone call owls wise, just know they might be running on more feathers than neurons. Here's one you might have heard in school. Camels store water in their humps. I mean, it sounds cool, right? Like nature's personal water cooler. Sorry to burst that bubble, but those humps? They're just fat storage. Camels actually store water in their bloodstream. But hey, that fat does help them survive long desert treks, so don't count them out just yet. Still, they're more hump day hero than walking water bottle. And finally, the gross-out myth we've all heard. Touching a toad will give you warts. I don't know who started this one, but they've probably kept a lot of kids out of trouble and away from toads. Truth is, warts come from a virus that's totally human exclusive. Toads? They're just minding their own business, wart-free. So go ahead and pick up that toad, if you're into that sort of thing. Here's one that's been around forever. Dogs only see in black and white. If that were true, I'd feel bad for all the pooches out there missing out on the beauty of a sunset. But good news, dog lovers. This one's a myth. Dogs can actually see colors, just not as vividly as we do. Think of it like watching TV on an old set. Lots of blues and yellows, but not much red. So, while your pup might not be able to appreciate your flashy red sneakers, they're definitely not stuck in a black and white movie. This one is dark, like really dark. The idea that lemmings follow each other off cliffs in a mass, suicidal frenzy. It's so famous, it even made it into video games. But here's the truth. Lemmings are not into cliff diving. This myth started from a staged documentary in the 1950s. In reality, lemmings migrate and sometimes take risky paths, but they're not intentionally leaping to their doom. So, if anyone tells you lemmings are suicidal, feel free to give them a gentle push. Towards the truth, of course. Bulls see red and charge. It's a tale as old as time, or at least as old as bullfighting. But guess what? Bulls don't give a hoof about the color red. Bulls are actually colorblind to red. They see in shades of gray, much like your dog. It's the movement of the cape that gets them all riled up, not the color. So next time you're picking out your rodeo outfit, don't stress about the color. Just don't start waving it around in front of a bull. So, there you have it. 5 myths busted wide open like a piñata at a birthday party. Next time someone tries to drop one of these myths on you, feel free to drop some knowledge right back. If you enjoyed this video, hit that like button, share it with your friends, and don't forget to subscribe for more myth-busting fun. Until next time, stay curious and keep questioning the world around you, because not everything is as it